Today we are going to draw this exercise 2D exercise, as we can see here. So first of all we will draw the circle of 60 and 92 diameter. So C enter, specify center point, D enter and type 60, and to repeat command just press the enter and select the center point. Now D enter for diameter and 92. Here it is done. Now the next one we will draw this circle. As we can see, this is a 14 dia and 14 radius at 55 and 32 distance. So C enter, we will draw this in the center and then move this. So 14 and with the same center, this is 14 radius. So now we will move this. So select, type M, enter, click here and click towards the downside, just click the 55 dimension and again move this, select and enter to repeat the command, and left side it is 32. Now we will make this radius of R14. So type F, enter, R, enter, and now select this circle and this circle. It is done. And again line, click on this quadrant and the another quadrant, press enter. Click on the quadrant, press enter, escape. Now we will trim. So TR, double enter, TR, enter, and now click the unwanted material, and we will mirror this. So MI, enter, select center line, click here, and we will mirror this again. So MI, this quadrant and the horizontal line, type Y to delete the previous. Now we will make a circle like 8 holes of dia 10. So make a circle at the PCT is 76. So C enter, specify center point, give the dimension of D enter, 10 enter to dia 10 and move this to say PCT 76. So we will move the half of 76. Select the circle, M, enter, click any point and towards upside just move it to 76 by 2. Enter. Now we can see this is the 8 number. So make it array AR, enter, select this circle and now click on the polar. The next process is to select the center. Now I for items, number of items, click type I, enter. Now number of holes are 8. Here you can see the 8 number of circles have been drawn and the complete profile has been drawn. We can also draw this PCT if we want. So we can see this is 76. So just C enter, center point and give the radius of dia of 76. Now we can change this line type using this phantom, or we can load the another center line. So here click here and the load, and we can see the different options here for line. We will choose the center line. Here we can see the center line. and okay, just okay. Now we will select this circle, and then first we will select this circle, and now select the line type center. Here it is done. Thank you.